When God wanted to bring out Israel, what he did was that God rode upon the wings of his own spirit. God wanted to carry Israel on a journey where Israel will not use any effort. So he carried them upon the wings of the eagle, upon the wings of the wind. Have you heard that when Israelites were walking, their shoes did not wear off? There is a place in God where you can be carried, so that everything that is about your life does not determine the capacity upon which you move. You can mount up with wings as eagle, but you can be carried. And then when a man is carried, what happens to the man is that he doesn't bother about direction and he doesn't bother about speed. May we find out that our capacity is not sufficient. May we find out that we are limited in what we know or what we can do. May we become aware. Can you let God carry you? God is saying, I know I have given you strength to mount up with wings as eagle, but can you let me carry you? There's a way to live. There's a way to live. There's a way to live this life. I have run this race enough. I have walked enough. I know what it means to fly, but I want to be carried. So at the places where my wings cannot reach, the places where my wings become weary, I become dependent on the